Hello and welcome to this new video on how to know your shoe size in Shein. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Go there and click on the search bar, and you just have to type for Shein and press enter in the keyboard. And the search results will be shown to you, and you just have to click on the first search result, and the Shein official website will be opened. And in order to know your shoe size, you just have to look at the taskbar, and here will be a shoes section. You just have to click on the shoes section, and the shoes section will be opened, and you just have to choose the shoes that you want to buy, and you can just click on the cart option. On every product there is a cart option in the right corner, so you just have to click on the cart option, and this notification page or pop-up page will be open right in front of you. And in the right hand side you can see there is a size guide for you. You can just click on the size guide, and they will show you the guide, and you can also change to the different types or centimeter or inches, and you can know your shoe size. And this is the instruction provided to you by Shein to measure your foot length and a ball width. You can just measure it, and you will be able to know your shoe size and buy the shoe of your size, and you can just choose on any shoe size that you want, and you'll be able to buy successfully. So this is the instruction provided to you by Shein in order to know your own shoe size. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.